Celebrations doubled for the Nishi tribe in Arunachal Pradesh Tali constituency in KraDaadi district, which shares borders with China. Besides people celebrating Nyokum, a festival that is celebrated by the Nishi community during this time of the year, where they worship goddess Nyokum for a good harvest coupled with prayers that their crops survive floods and droughts, people in Tali constituency have got another reason to rejoice. As for the first time in 76 years since India's independence, the last unconnected administrative center and the only unconnected assembly constituency of Arunachal Pradesh, Tali has been connected by road. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu became the first Chief Minister to reach Tali in KraDaadi district travelling by road. During his last visit to the area in 2017 by helicopter, Khandu had promised the people that his next visit would be by road. The promise was fulfilled on the auspicious occasion of Nyokum. Chief Minister, while joining the 45th Nyokum Yulo celebration, said that, "I'm proud to be part of the historic and momentous occasion to finally witness Tali ADC headquarters get connected by road." Though established in 1957, Tali administrative headquarters never saw road connectivity. "We worked on mission mode to complete approximately 51 kilometers Yangte Tali Road at the earliest. Also, after Chief Minister's inspection of under construction road from Tali to Pimsorang, a circle headquarters of the Tali ADC Administrative Center, assured that the 50-kilometer PMGSY road will be completed by the year end. He also assured that the 15-kilometer stretch will be redone in Zoram Kolyarang to Yangte Highway immediately, and the 50-kilometer PMGSY road would be completed by year end, connecting Tali to Pimsorang.